Hello, this is lecture number 4 for the chapter circles for the class 10th, and in the last lecture we have done up to question number 11. Now in question number 12, read it very carefully because it is some lengthy solution is okay. So there's a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 centimeter such that the side BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point at the contact T are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. You have to find the side AB and AC of this triangle. So let us draw a figure in which it says that there is a triangle which is touching the sides of this triangle. There's a triangle. Now there's a triangle A, B and C. It is given triangle ABC. This is D, and it is given that this is equal to 6 and this is equal to 8 centimeter. And it is given that the radius of this circle is 4 centimeter. So if I say the center of the circle be O, and it is given that it is equal to how much? 4 centimeter. This is 4. This is 4 and this is 4, and you have to find AC and BD of this triangle. Let the point of intersection be this E and this point be F. Now you have to find the side AB and AC of this triangle. Now we know that the tangent is perpendicular to radius, so these will be perpendicular to each other. That is OE, OD, OF are perpendicular to OD will be perpendicular to BC, OE will be perpendicular to AC, and OF will be perpendicular to AB, because tangent is perpendicular to radius. Tangent radius के perpendicular होता है. Now because this is equal to 8, now CD will be equal to CE is equal to 8, because length of the tangent from the external point to the circle are of equal length. FB will be equal to 6. Length of the tangent from the external point. Tangents from external point to the circle are of equal length. Length of the tangent from the external point to a circle are of equal length. So ये आपका 8, this is 8, this is 6 and this is 6. Now let AE is equal to X. So therefore AF will be also equal to X. Again the same reason, length of the tangent from the external point to a circle are of equal length. So these are some basics we have to do in this figure to find the length of AB and AC of this triangle. That is the length of the tangent from the external point to a circle are of equal length. This is also this from the external point. These are the two tangents. Their length will be equal, and similarly these two will be equal because from the external point two tangents are drawn to this circle, and we have let this AE is equal to X. Therefore AF and AE are equal to each other because these are also the tangents from the external point to the circle. Now to find this area of the triangle ABC, we can find its area in two ways by the Heron's formula. Okay, so the semi-perimeter of triangle ABC, length of the sides, that is S will be equal to, this is X plus 6 plus this is X plus 6, this is X plus 8 and plus 6 plus 8 upon 2. A plus B plus C upon 2 is the semi-perimeter of the triangle, and this is coming out to be X plus 14. इसको आप ऐड करिए 2x 14 plus 8 this is 14 plus 6 20 28 upon 2, take common and this will be equal to this. So this is the semi-perimeter of this triangle ABC. Now we know that the area of the triangle is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Semi-perimeter area of the triangle. Now you can use it very carefully. So this will be S. S is X plus 14 s minus a, that is s plus 14 minus a. A here is x plus 6. Similarly, s minus b, that is x plus 14 minus b. B here is x plus 8. And s minus c, that is x plus 14. C is 14. So this is the area of this triangle. Now simplify as far as possible. आप इसको simplify करिए. You will get this is x plus 14. x plus 14. x cancel हो जाएगा. 14 minus 6, that is 8. यहाँ पर भी x cancel हो. 14 minus 8 will be equal to 6. And 14 से 14 cancel. This is the area of this triangle. ये triangle का area हो गया in the first way. Now similarly we can find the area of this triangle. ABC by finding the area of triangle BOC. See it carefully. Area of the triangle BOC, area of triangle AOB, and area of triangle AOC, which will equal to half base into height. So BOC का area half 14 into 4. AOC का area half x plus 8 into 4, and AOB का area half x plus c into OF. Area of triangle is equal to half base into height. So area of triangle ABC will be area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle AOC. Now see it very carefully. So BOC का area half base कितना है BOC का 14, height is 4. Similarly area of triangle AOB triangle का area half base x plus 6, height 4. Half base is x plus 6 and height is 4. Similarly area of triangle AOC, half base will be x plus 4, x plus 8 or height 4. So half x plus 8 into 4. So this is the second way to find the area of triangle ABC. Now simplify this. When you are simplifying it, you are getting this area as this will be 14 into 2, that is 28. ये 2 से 2 cancel हो जाएगा. So this will be coming out to be 2x plus 12. यहाँ पर भी 2 से 2 cancel. It will be 2x plus how much? 16. So this is coming out to be, add करिए इसको. This is coming out to be 4x plus 56. Now this area of the triangle, ये जो area of triangle है, you put it here, इसको यहाँ पर इसके equal भी लिख दीजिए. This is coming out to be x plus 14. This is 48 into x. 48 into x. So this will be equal to this. Now you can simplify this by squaring both the sides. आप इसको squaring both the side करके simplify करिए. You will get x plus 14. 48 into x is equal to 4x plus 56 का whole square. Now you can take 4 common here, that is 16. ये से cancel हो जाएगा. And when you simplify this, you are getting the value of x as, इसको आप simplify करिए. Simplify करने पर x की value you will get 7. आपके पास x की value 7 आ जाएगी. This is the value of x. Now you have to find what? AC. You have to find AB. So AB is x plus 6 and AC is x plus 8. So AB is x plus 6, which is 7 plus 6 is equal to 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter, and AC is x plus 8, which is equal to 7 plus 8, that is 15. This is 15 centimeter. So this is the length of AB and AC. So this is the very lengthy solution of this question number 12 of the exercise 10.2, where it says that there is a triangle ABC which is subscribing a circle touching the side BC at D, and I've lighted this point at E and F, and the radius of this circle is 4. You have to find this AC and AB. Now we know that DC is equal to CE because these are tangent from the same point to a circle are of equal length. BD is equal to BF, external point to a circle are of equal length. So this is equal to this, both are equal to 6, and I've let AE is equal to X. then therefore AF is also equal to X. This is the basics you have to do in the beginning of this. Now you can find the area of this triangle ABC by two ways, by Heron's formula, by finding the semi-perimeter of the triangle ABC, which is X plus 6, 6 plus 8, X plus 8 upon 2. This is a semi-perimeter which is coming out to be X plus 14, and area of the triangle is area of the triangle is under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is X plus 14, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. A is X plus 6, B is 14, C is X plus 8. Simplify the square root and this is coming out to be X plus 4, 48 into X. Now we can find the area of the triangle ABC by finding the area of triangle BOC, AOC, AOB and adding it. So area of triangle AOB will be half base into height, that is X plus 6 into 4. Area of triangle BOC will be half 6 plus 8 into 4, and area of triangle AOC will be equal to half X plus 8 into 4 and adding it. And this is coming out to 4x plus 6, and put it equal to this area and squaring both the sides, you'll get the value of X as 7 and AB is X plus 6, that is 7 plus 6, and AC is 7 plus 8, which is equal to 15. So this is the completion of the exercise 10.2, and this is a very lengthy solution. So you do at least 3 to 4 times to obtain this solution. So this is the question number 12. Now I'm taking 1 or 2 more questions based on this tangent to the circle. Let us take an example in which you have to prove that the two circles are intersecting each other at point this. There is a tangent which is touching both the circle, which is touching the circle, and there is a common tangent. This is known as a common tangents, and suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is P. Now you have to prove that P bisect AB. P bisect AB आपको ये prove करना है. That is, you have to prove that AP is equal to PB. It is a very easy question. Now we know that this external point say tangential to the same circle, so we can say that AP is equal to CP. Tangents from the same point to a circle are equal length. Similarly, BP is equal to PCP. Again, tangents from the same points to a circle are of equal lengths. Tangent from the same point to the circle are of equal length. So what can you conclude from this? CP, therefore AP will be equal to BP. That is from step number 1 and 2. So it is a very easy question. You have to prove that this is equal to this. Well, A is equal tangent from the same point to this circle. This is equal to this tangent from the same point to a circle to this, and they are equal to each other and their lengths are same. Similarly, these are circle intersecting. Now if I take the two circle intersecting at internally like this, and suppose these are common tangents, and suppose you have to prove that this is P, A, B and C. Now again, suppose you have to prove that PB is equal to PC. यहाँ पर ये prove करना है आपको. Prove that this is equal to this. Again, the same method will be there. PA will be equal to PB. ये छोटे वाले सर्कल पर टेंजेंट फ्रॉम द सेम पॉइंट है. सिमिलरली PA is equal to PC. बड़े वाले सर्कल पर, लार्जर सर्कल पर टेंजेंट फ्रॉम द सेम पॉइंट है. Tangents from the same point. Tangent from the same point. Tangent from the same point. So this is the example I have taken, and from this what can you conclude? PA, that is PB is equal to PC from the step number 1 and 2. So this is 2 example I have taken. So this is a completion of the chapter circle of class 10th. Good luck. Thank you.